So next naman is the repetition over intensity. Very important thing is do not rush things out. Kung before kaya mong bumuhat ng 40 kg, it was months or a year ago, pagbalik mo, try to start with the smallest weight or the basics ulit para hindi ka ma-injure. So for example, sa akin, before na pag 200 kg ako ng squats, pero natigil ako, yung last competition ko was around 2023 pa. Ito yun. Sobrang tagal na nung competition ko na yan. I haven't competed since that time. Hindi rin ako nakapag-train ng legs for about a year. Pero ngayon, nung binabalik ko siya, nag-start ako with the 100 or 120 kg muna. Sobrang bigat na bigat na ako nun, pero wala eh. Kailangan kong i-work ulit yung weight ko up to there. Kaya sa biglayin ko siya with the 200 kg, which makes no sense, diba? Kasi nga, na-fell off track ako. If may mga iba kang bagay na pinag-aabalahan, it's totally normal. Kung pupukpukin mo lang yung sarili mo na natigil ka, sisipin mo lagi kung paano ko ulit mag-start, walang mangyayari, diba?